Welcome to Bharat Spare.
In today's video, we'll walk you through the connections of a BLDC motor. A BLDC motor, or brushless DC motor, is an electric motor that operates without brushes, using electronic commutation instead of mechanical. It offers high efficiency, greater torque, and lower maintenance compared to traditional brushed motors, making it ideal for electric vehicles and various industrial applications. A very simple BLDC motor connection. It has three-phase color-coded wires that match with the controller, and here's the hall sensor coupler connection. That's the simple connection. Thanks for watching this video.